know how to make a plane or a claw, well, I'll show you if you don't know yet how to do it. I'm Master, so let's start this video. So, you need 2 pieces of paper and some pens or crayons, whatever you have. I have pens. And you're going to get one of the papers and make it into a plane first. Just get it and then make it, just be careful so it can be like the same way. Just like that. Just need to do that like that. And now you're gonna get a corner and then put it like into the middle. And now just make sure it's not sideways, because I think mine is sideways. I really know. Wait, let me just do it again. And then it will be fine. Done. Now it's better. You do it like this. And now you're going to make it the other way. And now put it. Just be careful so that both sides are going to be equal. Like that. And now you are going to fold it. And now be careful to get this corner and to get it and to put it over there. And now make it like that. And now fold it. And now you make it the other way. Just be careful so it will be the right way. Just like that. And now you're going to get these 2 and put them over there. And then put it just in the corner. Like this. And now you're going to write whatever you want. I'm going to write my name we made with Aissa. With Aissa. Like that. I wrote it there. And now let me just put that. And now maybe you can put a love heart next to it. And now maybe a star if you can do one. Like this. And now you're going to put a star or whatever you can do. Maybe a watermelon. I'm going to put a watermelon over here. Just like that. And now you're going to write something on here, maybe just with another pen, with the pink one or the blue or the purple, whichever pens you have. And now I'm going to write my name big, Aissa. There you go. And now make a star in blue and close on the pen lids. And now get purple and make a little bit of color, because you need color too. There you go. This smells so nice. Like this. Let's see if it can fly. Wow. I think that fly, didn't it? And now you're going like that with it. Hey! And now you're gonna put it over there. And maybe just put it that way. Oh, maybe not there. And now you're gonna get the other piece of paper and get this. And now you're going to make a claw. If you don't know how to make one, please watch. And now you will learn. Just like that. And now fold it. Get the other 2 ones. And now another one. and then just put them together just like that. And now you're gonna get it, then fold it, and then get it, not fold it, not leave it that much folded, and then you're going to, there you go, and then you're going to roll it to get it, and then put one here, there you go, and it looks like that. And then you can just open it for a nail. Here you go, like that. And I'm going to get for the colors, maybe purple and blue. First we're going to do a purple one. You can leave the lids opened. You can just put it there. And then blue. And then keep on putting the pattern. And then make it until to the end. Maybe not quite to the end, because maybe up there you can put your name, can't you? And then the next one. I think done for that. And now here where it's white, it smells so good. Look, isn't it nice? Well, yeah, I think it is. And now you're gonna just let it a little bit to dry. It looks so sparkly when it shines. And now you're gonna get orange, or which color you ever want. I'll just get black, and then put my name in it. Big, not that big so it won't see, but yeah. And then you can put your name on them, and then maybe a love heart at the end, like that. Isn't it cute? Well, on the next side I can maybe get pink and orange, then color this with orange, and then just leave it like that. And now get pink and color it all over the place. The pinky pink, you're gonna color it all over the place. And then just like that. And now on the other side. Isn't it cute? Well, I think it is. Surely it is. And then get the colors, put them like that, put the colors there, and look, you can try this. Isn't it cute? Well, let's see if this can fly. It did not even fly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then like. Bye bye, friends.